solve this system of equations. 1 plus 2, we have x minus root of xy times x plus 3y plus y minus root of xy times 3x plus y equals 8 times 9 plus 8 root 3 plus 8 times 9 minus 8 root 3, which can be written as x squared minus x root xy plus 3xy minus 3y root of xy plus 3xy minus 3x root of xy plus y squared minus y root of xy equals 144. Collecting like terms. We have minus 4x root xy. By combining minus x root xy and minus 3x root xy. Similarly, by combining 3xy and 3xy, we can now write 6xy, and by combining minus 3y root xy and minus y root of xy, we can now write minus 4y root of xy. We know that a minus b all to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of 4 minus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared minus 4ab cubed plus b to the power of 4. The equation can be written as root x all to the power of 4 minus 4 times root x all to the power of 3 root y plus 6 times root x all squared times root y all squared minus 4 times root x times root y all cubed plus root y all to the power of 4 equals 144, which can be written as root x minus root y all to the power of 4 equals 144 by the binomial expansion with the power of 4. 1 minus 2, we have x minus root xy times x plus 3y minus y minus root xy times 3x plus y equals 8 times 9 plus 8 root 3 minus 8 times 9 minus 8 root 3, which can be written as x squared minus x root xy plus 3xy minus 3y root xy minus 3xy plus 3x root xy minus y squared plus y root xy equals 128 root 3. By collecting like terms, we can combine minus x root xy and 3x root xy. So we can now write 2x root xy, 3xy, and minus 3xy cancel. We can combine minus 3y root xy and y root xy. So we can now write minus 2y root xy. By rearranging the left-hand side of the equation, we have x squared minus y squared plus 2x root xy minus 2y root xy, which can be written as x minus y times x plus y plus 2 root xy times x minus y, which can be written as x minus y times x plus y plus 2 root xy. We know a difference of two squares, a squared and b squared, can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So we can now write root x minus root y times root x plus root y. We know that a squared plus 2ab plus b squared can be written as a plus b all squared. So we can write x plus y plus 2 root xy as root x plus root y all squared. So we can now write root x minus root y times root x plus root y all cubed equals 128 root 3. So now we have this set of equations. Solving this set of equations is equivalent to solving the original set of equations. From equation 3, we know that root x minus root y all squared equals 12. So root x minus root y equals plus minus root 12 equals plus minus 2 root 3. Thus, root x minus root y equals plus minus 2 root 3. Substitute 5 in 4. We have plus minus 2 root 3 times root x plus root y all cubed equals 128 root 3. So by rearranging the equation, we have root x plus root y all cubed equals plus minus 128 root 3 over 2 root 3 equals plus minus 64. Thus, root x plus root y equals plus minus 4. From equations 5 and 6, we have equations 7 and 8, or equations 9 and 10. 7 plus 8, we have 2 root x equals minus 2 root 3 minus 4. Thus, the system of equations 7 and 8 has no solutions. 9 plus 10, we have 2 root x equals 2 root 3 plus 4. So root x equals root 3 plus 2. So x equals root 3 plus 2 all squared, which is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Substitute x in equation 9. We have root y equals root x minus 2 root 3, which is equal to root 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 3. So y equals 2 minus root 3 all squared, which is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. Hence, x, y equals 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3 is the solution of the system of equations. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.